Hey guys, what's up? So welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ashita Agarwal. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are safe. How to use it perfectly, and in fact you can do this trick with your perfumes ताकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा long lasting हो. Always apply your perfume or body mists or deodorant on the wrist first. तो लगाने के बाद ऐसा मत करना क्योंकि ये ज़्यादा long lasting नहीं होगा. Don't rub any of the things you apply here and like this. Just dab it. Don't rub it. And then I apply here and here, not directly on my armpits क्योंकि that is a sensitive reason you guys are not applying anything over there except a roll on. Then I apply at the back of my neck क्योंकि यहाँ से बहुत अच्छी खुशबू आती है. When someone is passing you by, they can smell a good fragrance, like they will feel wow, she's smelling good. This is the hack and secret for that. You always apply at the back of the neck or the side of both ears, or when you're in a date. That's a tip for you guys. And also on the back, on the elbows or on the back of your knee. So ये सारे जो points हैं ना, इसमें perfume ज़्यादा जल्दी से, यहाँ की skin ना बहुत thin रहती है, बहुत पतली रहती है, तो वो ज़्यादा लंबे देर तक वो वहाँ पे fragrance को absorb करके capture करके रखता है, इतने जल्दी से उड़ता नहीं है. So that is a tip for long lasting fragrance for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If anything, any particular video request, you can comment down below. If you like this video and try out my recommendations, don't forget to comment down below. Like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share to my channel. I love you guys so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.